In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a change request in Jira Service Management. If you need to log a critical change, plan a production deployment window, or submit an infrastructure upgrade for approval, Jira makes that process much easier once you know where to look. The key is using the global creation shortcut so you can open the correct form right away and make sure your request is routed properly. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira Cloud site, or sign in through the Atlassian login page if needed. Once you're logged in and the main dashboard has loaded, look across the top of the screen for the global navigation bar. This is where you'll access the shortcut that opens the issue creation window from anywhere in Jira. Next, move to the Create button near the top center of the page and click it once. As soon as you do, Jira will open a creation window or modal where you can begin building your new request. This is the fastest way to start a CRQ without digging through project menus. Inside that window, first find the project field and choose the correct Jira Service Management or IT operations project from the list. Right below that, locate the issue type field and select change or change request, depending on how your environment is configured. Choosing the right project and issue type is important because it controls the fields, workflow, and approvals tied to the request. After that, click into the summary field and enter a short, clear title for the change. Keep it professional, specific, and easy for other teams to scan later in boards and queues. A good summary should quickly explain what is being changed without being too long. Now continue down the form and fill in the rest of the core change details. Set the change type, such as standard, normal, or emergency. In the description area, document the implementation plan, the rollback or backout plan, and the test plan so reviewers can understand exactly how the change will be carried out and how risk will be managed. Then select the appropriate impact and urgency levels, choose the planned schedule using the date fields, and assign the request to the relevant technical lead if that field is available. Before submitting, take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure the summary is accurate, the change type is correct, and the implementation, testing, and rollback details are complete. Once you're satisfied, go to the bottom right corner of the window and click Create. Jira will then save the request and launch your new change ticket into the proper workflow and approval path, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.